What am I reading?
To me, it just sounds like canopy top, canopy top, canopy top.
Yeah, right.
Top of the canopy.
Here's a canopy. Oh, there's a top. Oh, and there's the canopy. Top. You're so smart, lady. You got this.
Let me read it one more time in an American accent.
Yeah, let's see. That's the middle thingy, and it's there.
Yep.
So what do you sell?
Books. Books and bookish goods. We own a bookshop in Paso, Robles.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah, so we came all the way here.
We've been vlogging this for a while, so.
You guys want this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cute.
Some vlog footage. All right. Here's a little behind the scenes of what the fantasy fairgrounds look like before the fair.
Cute.
None of anything is.
Okay.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.
Tournaments when they didn't need that extra articulation, so we best do what can be described as tournament fighting instead of like actually obviously trying to kill each other. Kind of.
Right. I would hope so.
Wow, that is so cool.
Now we're gonna head back to our Airbnb for the night and make a bunch of blind date packages. Bacon. Here's our chicken. We've got thighs and little tenders. So we put on this, fresh lemon juice, olive oil.
Wait, say that one more time.
What?
The cat's tried opening up a lid and sucks on it.
Wait, he's not talking in the high-pitched voice anymore. He had the helium voice.
I was like so confused as to
And then a little bit of this as well. And so then we're also making some rice. This is the one we got. And that's it for tonight, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, we've got some frozen veg.
Yeah, which we can probably film.
Yeah. We want to do peas and carrots or broccoli tonight?
We can do both. We can just have it ready.
Oh, yeah. All right.
Paper, wax, like
Mm-hmm.
bookmarks,
Goodies,
kind of things,
yeah.
and then we can just kind of go down the line.
Perfect.
And then we can like have our books that we process the books, make sure they're good to go. And what
Yeah.
books are good to go. Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
So
give them a
here
tour and then
are
I will-
all the books that we brought with us. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bins and then some miscellaneous ones.
It's crazy that this doesn't make a dent in the books that we have at the bookshop.
I know.
We have so many books.
I know. Hey.
I'm gonna set up our like
The
book
living
packing
room.
station.
I wish we were like uber prepared and could just like play pool.
I'd say
So
origami
here's
and
front
paper
door.
is our specialty.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so front door. You walk right into the living room. Here's a little closet,
Welcome
and
to
then
our humble abode.
yes.
Oh yes, what's this? A pool table.
Very natural.
I feel like a kid.
Our packing station / dining room, kitchen.
It's me.
This amazing pantry area. Ugh, I want to live here. Okay, so we walk out. Delightful. I'm gonna cover this.
You know how to open up these?
Oh man, that's like all muscle. You
Right?
just gotta pull. Oh my goodness.
Only type they have, I think. Is that insane?
Laundry room,
I didn't see another
game
one.
room.
Wiggle.
Yep,
That is all muscle.
this is insane.
Wow. I can't do
Oh my gosh.
I know, girl.
Whoa.
Ugh, it's exhausting.
Hey. So this is going to be Carla's room. And Annie Mae's room. Oh, that is a cute outfit. And my room. I get the giant one. Oh yeah, I have my own. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna turn on the light. It's very dim. Oh my gosh. This is that's a huge closet. Hello, I'm scared. Wow. Orchids. Okay, dream home. And that's that. Now let's get organizing. Morning everyone, it's about 6:30 and I woke up like 15 minutes ago. I couldn't fall asleep until like 2 a.m. But I feel weirdly pretty well rested, so I thought I'd just come out and look at our surroundings since it's daylight now. We didn't get here until very late last night. It was super dark, so I wanted to come out and appreciate this scenery before I get back to work. I hope you can hear me. I'm just being really quiet because I don't know if Annie Mae and Carla are awake yet. Great googly moogly. Check this out. Oh my gosh. This back patio was such a selling point for me. When we were looking for Airbnbs to reserve. Oh. Hi, Moon. Oh, this is so beautiful. So, we got all of these packed last night. And we've got this pile, that one, this one, this. Everything on the table. I don't know why I'm dividing it into piles. And then just these to wrap up. These are just being sold as is without being packed. As are the books in this bin, so not too much left to do actually. I could just cry looking at that view. Just the way the light is falling on that like top mountain is so beautiful. And a hot tub. We of course haven't used it yet. Wow, I love it here. I wish we were staying longer, honestly. But we just have tonight left and then we're leaving tomorrow. No. Yeah. Yeah, we're leaving tomorrow morning. That's right, because the fair tomorrow ends at 5 and we're just gonna leave and drive all the way home from the fair. I wish we were staying one more night, honestly, but that's okay. Maybe next time we'll take another day just to enjoy the actual Airbnb. Oh, I should have brought my yoga mat. Doing yoga out here and meditating. Oh, it'd be so perfect. All right, I'm gonna enjoy the view for a little bit and then get to work. Okay, here's the outfit. Just a flowy off-white top and then this dress. I'm gonna quickly try to do just like a couple of, I'm sorry, I don't know what I'm doing with the camera. A couple of braids that I can cross over the top of my head and then leave the rest down. So I'm gonna try to do that quickly because we need to get going. Just a little makeup I need to do also. I hope we don't fall. Okay, makeup is done. I feel like I look a little creepy. I don't know, I was going for like a doll kind of look. But something about it just weirds me out. So it'll fade a little bit as the day goes on. Away we go. Okay, here we are, we're all set up. Not on you yet, but here we go. Here we go.
Stamping books.
Lovely.
Oh, look at the crow.
Aww. So cute. And then this is our cash box. Isn't this awesome? Boom.
Maybe it was not expensive.
Dark stuff, the real stuff. Magic with a C, that's just elaborate peekaboo. At the end of the show, my co-host and I, the horrid necromancer Soren Summersbane, we will tell 2 possible futures. For anyone who wants one of which we guarantee will come true.
Future, future, future. There's a kitty and a doggy in there. And they're gonna put on a show. I know. It's crazy. Oh, nice. Oh my God, steam train. Gotta drink water. Yes, I'm so glad the song is playing again.
Everybody, a round of applause for Rosie O'Ryan.
Woo!
Done if you have a large crew. And we did have a very large crew. Now there's crew. You got a big audience.
Wow. Yes.
Applause. Come on. Everybody, let's have a round of applause for Edie. Our amazing Norcat. Center stage.
Yeah. Yeah. Riding unicorn.
Oh, I bet your steam train costs money too.
Oh my God, I bet it does. No, I hear him taking off. Let's just follow him. This is so cute. Steam train. Are they playing the song?
No, they're playing the lame one.
No, they're playing the good one. Steam train. Wait for us. We missed the steam train. Dear God. We're right behind. Steam train. Steam train. Oh, hi. We're leaving now. I'm so sad to see this place go. Or, well, we're the ones that are going. Bye.
Just for the first place? Oh, wait, stop. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, damn.
Ooh. Yeah.
I feel like I'd rather have a sword to the face than like a mace.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, because you get rung like a bell and then
Yeah.
I used to do that when I was younger.
Wow.
They're not too bad. Yeah, it's beautiful. Oh. That's pretty cheap.
You need a handle guy?
No, these are all imports from
Quartet playing. Hans Zimmer. So we.
We're headed.
I mean, I feel like we're committed.
We're headed now to Steam Train.
Train.
We should do a steam train there.
So, oh yeah, steam train. we're really hoping
No, we didn't learn it.
we can.
Shout it out.
Yeah.
Steam train! Steam train! Steam train! Steam train! Steam train! No?
Why not?
Jacob's still there. Huh? By the steam train.
Jacob should write.
Jacob.
We should skip this part too on the horse.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Absolutely devastating. They've packed up and we can't go for a ride. Oh. We'll get a photo though.
These got train face.
Can we like touch them? Oh my god.
You
can?
So cute. Oh, you're just big.
Hey, buddy.
Demon.
Oh
my stand up, Demon.
What are they? Huskies?
Shiba mixed with huskies. Mine's more of a husky than Shiba.
Oh, that's so cute.
I mean, some days.
Onward.
Thank you so much for watching. Because we didn't remember to film an outro, I'm just sharing some photos that I got during our time there, so you can see a little more of a close-up of our goodies at the booth. We had lots of good things and we're really excited to do more fairs in the future. Here we are meeting the tall man and the queen, and then us chasing after the steam train, which we originally thought was really annoying and then totally loved. And here we are with our friend Jacob the Knight, and finally us taking a promenade like fancy ladies. Thank you again so much for watching and for your support. We'll see you next week back at the bookshop.